There's a staple.
Okay. And normal pins. So basically your staple is twice the length of your of a pin, and then just fold it in half. It's a quick and easy thing to make. Most of the wire you can do by hand. So, drooping, sagging elements. Number one thing is look inside and remove pins or anything else that might be getting in the way of you replacing and repositioning your element. Next thing is the simple part we just heated up. Now because it's going to be really hot, I don't want to touch it. Heat has a wonderful way of traveling along metal really easily. So you want to make sure that you just sort of have something else that you can handle it with. And just remember where your flame is, because you don't want that directly on your tool either. So once you get it back in place, and you see I've tucked it over to the side a little bit, it's then a good place to put your staple. Now the staple, we really don't want to loop over the element. We want to create a barrier to keep that element in its position towards the recess that's in there. Grab this. And just enough pressure to get that staple
Okay.
in.
I've been doing it wrong.
If you loop an element, you may create a small short.
Right,
Now you can do the same thing with a straight pin. If you do that, I highly recommend creating a cane or a hook out of it.
Just put a little hook on the end.
Just put a little hook on the end, and it will give you just enough surface area to create some pressure and distance. Because here again, you don't want the element coming away. Now the first area I'm heating is a corner. You see where the bend starts here, and the bend starts over here. So if I relieve those corner areas, the middle will give way, because the corners are the part that we're keeping that element from coming out. Here again, tucking it. Okay. And then we're going to keep it tucked with pins. And for a pin with a hook on it, we just sort of go backwards and we let the hook create the distance.
Okay, so the hook is actually
facing away.
Facing away, yes.
Yeah.
Can't really see that on here. Okay.
Right.
Great, thank you.
But yeah, keeping the hook facing away.
Dave with All Fired Up from Charlotte. Kiln Repair.